Crap, that doesn't work at all. The sled's bent faster than I can look.
What's the matter, Uli? Can't you manage it?
You break more with the pressure washer than you can clean. The sled's bent. I can't see through them at all.
Wait a minute, Uli. I'll show you how it's done. It's child's play. Hand me my JetBoy. Look, Uli, this is how it is done. Very easy and nothing is broken. I lent you the JetBoy now, and that's how you do it too. Uli, always remember, mycon does it. Powerful, gentle, and environmentally friendly.